What's up, y'all? Back again on the video channel today. I'm here about to talk about why I don't use nutrients. This is a video based on why I don't feed bottled nutrients, why I don't feed nutrients throughout my grow. And to be real simple, this is gonna be a short video. This is real simple. But the first thing y'all need to do is click that like button. Should be somewhere right here, and then it should be a red subscribe button. You need to click right there, subscribe, so you can know every day, every week when I'm keeping you updated and posted on these videos. But anyway, back to the channel, back to the video of why I don't feed bottled nutrients. Because every watering until week 5 of flower, I use Blue Planet Nutrients Calmag Pro formula. It's very important that you understand this is the Pro formula, because Blue Planet Nutrient also carries another Calmag that's not a Pro formula. But with this Pro formula, as you can see, it has soluble calcium and magnesium with micronutrients. Micronutrients and calcium and magnesium are 3 critical things that your plant continuously needs. And a lot of other Calmags out there, you can see the NPK ratio on this one is 8:0:0. A lot of other Calmag are not up there 8. They're around 1, 2. The one I had before was like a 1 point something or 2 point something. This one is 0.8. It has a lot of nitrogen in it. This is one reason I don't feed, because it has all the nitrogen in it right there. And if you zoom in right here, when it says micronutrient, you can go look at all your additives and all your other chemicals and all your feeds and your nutrient bags. The percentage on this: 15% calcium, 5% magnesium, 6% sulfur, 0.2% iron, 8% nitrogen. Like, this Calmag pretty much is the reason I don't feed my plants anything. I just water them with this. Pretty much just this. I pH the water sometimes, but the microbes pH it back to itself. So the reason I don't feed with bottled nutrients, too many, just keep feeding constantly with organic nutrients, because every time I water, this is already mixed in my water, along with I told you what else I put in my water, the mosquito bits. Mosquito bits is not a nutrient, it's a microbe. That microbe is a living organism that breaks down other organic material. This is Calmag, and with growing with LED lights, you're gonna need to supplement some form of Calmag. So I stepped it up to the Pro formula, and the Pro formula has been doing me great. This is all I add. Blue Planet Nutrients, shout out to them. This shit is great, man. Get y'all some of this, man, off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description where y'all can find it. And yeah, check them out. If you want to feed less, you don't want to be mixing all the nutrients all the time, you just want to take it easy and go the easy route, look, get you some Blue Planet Nutrients Calmag Pro and just get rid of all that other shit. I promise you, trust me. You've seen my videos, you've seen my plants. This is what they use. This is the secret sauce, one of them, to keeping it simple. But if y'all like the video, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe in the video. Comment on the videos, man. See what else y'all want to do. I'll do video requests. If something you want to see me do, something you want to see me grow, explain, go ahead and put it down there in the comments. But this is why I don't use bottled nutrients. And I can see. Go ahead. All right, thanks. We out. Peace.